How to activate free self-parking with MGM Rewards. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. To activate free self-parking with MGM Rewards, as it's written in their website, self-parking is complimentary for MGM Rewards member with current level of Pearl, Gold, Platinum, and Noir, which means self-parking is complimentary if you're a member of MGM Rewards and your current level is Pearl, Gold, Platinum, and Noir. It is complimentary, and guests must insert the MGM Rewards card at the exit gate to receive the free parking benefit. And all complimentary parking is subject to availability, which may vary by facility location and tier status. And this is how to activate free self-parking with MGM Rewards. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.